Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. The chapter name is Introducing Geography. In the last class, we have also discussed some of the points related to the geography. This is chapter number 1 for class 5. Continue. Now open page number 4 on your book. The first line is the physical environment vary place to place and humans respond to these variations. The physical environment vary place to place. It means that the environment from different places are different and humans reactions or human respond or human react according to the situation. Let's suppose in Saudi Arabia, what people do, it's a hot country. Why it's a hot country? Because most of the days there is a sunny weather. So humans will respond to these variations and they made their houses and their living style according to the summer styles. So physical environment affects the humans reaction. The activities they are, who are humans. The activities humans are carry out are influenced by the physical environment. The activities of humans are influenced by the physical environment they live in. For example, climate. As you know, in the Saudi, the growing date is basically a business, but it is successful because of the hot weather. Growing dates without the hot weather, it's not possible. So businesses depends on the situations. Those situations are basically the physical environments. Geographers. Who are geographers? Geographers are the person who studies geography. So geographers are also interested in how human activities shape earth in response to the variations in natural environment. If there is a desert storm, what people do? People sit inside the home and don't go outside. Okay, some people build shelters. Shelters are like homes. They are closed. They are contains only one door. Shelters normally include one door. Why people made shelter? To save from anything, any natural disaster. Okay, so geographers are also interested to learn or to see that how human activities shape the earth in response to the variations in natural environment. Human geography. The study of the people and their activities. The study of people and their activities on the earth is called a human geography. In human geography, some things are there: places, activities, people, building, agriculture, transport. In human geography, places, activities, people, buildings, agriculture, and transport. All these things make up the human environment. In simple words, they are making the culture. Also see figure number 1.4 on your book. There are three main areas of study in human geography. Okay, what they are? Population, the second one is the settlement, the third one is the economic activity. Okay, so let's see each and every area one by one. The first one is the population. Population refers to the people live in a particular area. So the people living in any specific area or region or country or city or continent basically made a population. The second area of human geography is settlement. Settlement is an area where people set up their homes and businesses. It's all about the living style, that how people made their houses and how they live. Okay. Towards the third and the last one, it's an economic activity. This is what people do to make a living. So now here is a earning point. How people are earning? It's defined in the economic activity. Normally they work in agriculture or they work in industrial area. What does agriculture mean? Agriculture means to growing crops. Or they work in industrial sectors, means they work in factories or corporate sectors and different areas. So how many main areas of study in human geography? Three. The first one is population, settlement, and the third one is economic activity. Moving towards the new slide, the land and the people who live in it have a close connection. The people who live on a land, they have a close connection with that land. The people who live in the land carry out the activities. Let's suppose they are growing crops, buildings, houses. They cut down. Who cut down? Humans cut down trees to clear the land for their farms and factories. Normally, humans do this for their building new developments. They burn fuels. They burn fuels to produce power for their factories. They burn fuels. Who burn fuels? Human burn fuels to produce power. Fuels in the form of petrol, diesel, and there are so many others. Biofuel, plastic. They burn the fuels to produce power for their factories. They mine useful mineral for own usage. They took out the minerals from the earth for their own usage. Through these activities, all these activities of people affect the natural surroundings. All these activities will affect the natural surroundings. Study of how people interact with nature is called environmental or environment geography. Study of how people interact or how people deal with nature is called environment geography. Okay. An example, there is a figure 1.5. It shows how people activities have effect on environment. In this picture, some stuff is burning. Okay. Some stuff is burning. Now this burning is creating a pollution. So the people's reaction basically destroy the natural surrounding by creating a pollution. Okay, one more thing, how people react to the natural disasters. Okay, again consider an example of a desert storm. If desert storm come, what people normally do? They sit inside home and close their doors and windows. Why? Because they know very well if they open it, the sand will come inside the room. So basically it's a way of dealing of peoples. Okay, now next slide. In environmental geography, we look at how human activities such as mining of minerals, agriculture, industry, and settlement. So here are two or three things. In environmental geography, we look at how human actions, activities, or reactions such as mining the mineral means digging the ground and taking out the minerals out. Agriculture means growing crops, industry, building factories, and settlement, building houses. Now, these things brought about changes to the environment like pollution and climate change. These things brought the changes to the environment like pollution and climate change. There are so many other things also included in the environmental geography which can affect on our environment. Now, there is an assignment in the assignment section. You can do it. This assignment is related to the previous class, the first class of a geography. It's related to that class. That assignment is related to that class. Okay, there is one more term normally used in environmental geography is urban and rural. Urban, it's URBAN. Urban means the city. In literal meaning, it is known as a city. Okay, and the other word is a rural. RURAL. It means it's a village or a countryside. In simple words, we can say it's a village. So environment can be different in rural and urban areas. Hope you understand it. If you have any question, you can send mail to Classera and I will respond you on it, or otherwise you can ask the question in a live class. Okay, have a good day.